This is Blizzard, and I'm here to talk about a day in my life. It all begins with breakfast. I get really excited. I tell Mommy yes by jumping up and down, and then we go get breakfast.
Let's go eat. Come on, let's go.
As you can tell, I get really excited.
Let's go.
And my toenails don't do so well on our floors.
Let's go.
But that's okay.
Let's go. Go, house. Come on.
Basically, I do whatever Mommy says to get my breakfast. Yes is the magical word. After breakfast, I watch Mommy work out. And sometimes I like to lay on her mat and make her not able to work out. After that, I'm ready for my morning nap. I also enjoy cuddling with my mommy, or close to my mommy. And I love when Daddy's there. He has the best cuddles. Mommy also takes me for car rides, especially to Starbucks, and then I eagerly await the straw. I also like begging for food at close distances, sometimes very close. I also love shredding things, really anything, or sitting on my bed. Mommy just thinks it's hers. I also play with my friend Theo, but dogs stay on the floor. In the summer, Mommy lets me play turtle time in the pool. We also go for walks. We go around the neighborhood and to the doggy park, and sometimes she makes me run really far. It's nice to love her. When it's hot outside, I even get to go to Target. And I love when Daddy's there. Then I'm really tired. I mean really tired. I also like helping Mommy with her videos.
Hi everybody, it's Jackie and Blizzard, and today, what is today, Butter? That's right, it's Motivational Monday! You like it? He likes it.
Oh, Blizzard loves them too. He loves them. He ate this one multiple times. You bad little boy. See, he loves them. This one's strawberry.
And sometimes I interrupt them by doing bad things.
Oh my god. Blizzard just went in the pool. Oh my god.
Lizzie, come get my...
But then it's time for my second favorite time of the day, only 'cause breakfast first.
Excited? Are you excited? Blizzy, sit. Good. Down. Good. House. Stay. Yes.
But most of all, I love my mommy. Thanks for watching. A rough roo.